Namaste, I'm Archana. Warm welcome to today's video where we will see how to do Vrikshasana or tree pose in 5 easy simple steps. To begin, come to standing with your feet hip width apart, engaging your abdomen, your lower back, your hips. Roll your shoulders towards your ears, slowly drop it down. Bring your gaze to a point, a stationary point either on the floor or on the wall. Step 2, we're going to shift our weight onto our left foot. Raise the right heel off the mat. Turn the knee towards the right side. Now you're going to distribute the weight evenly on the left foot, the balls of your feet and your heel. Stay here. Bring your hands to prayer in Namaskara Mudra. If this is comfortable, then bring your right toes to rest on your left foot. Knees pointing towards the right side of the room. Stay here for 30 seconds. We're just reducing the base of support here. If you can do this, then progress to placing your foot on the inside of your leg. See that it's not at your knee joint. Stay here for 30 seconds. If this is comfortable, then grab hold of your ankle. Place your foot on the inside. Hands continue to stay in Namaskara Mudra. You can stay here for 30 seconds to a minute. Then you can experiment with your hands, reaching your hands up towards the ceiling in Namaskara Mudra. Or you can keep your arms wide, whatever helps you balance. That's your tree pose. Thank you. Vrikshasana not only improves balance and stability by strengthening the muscles in the standing leg and ankle, it also helps to cultivate mental steadiness. Holding the pose requires concentration and mindfulness, which can improve focus and mental clarity. The act of balancing encourages you to be present in the moment, bringing a sense of calmness. As we align our body by engaging our core and lengthening our spine to get into the pose, it helps to improve our posture. Integrating tree pose into our daily yoga practice can enhance mind-body connection, promoting holistic wellness. Thank you for being here. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you found this video helpful, please like and share.